In the first two classes, we looked at the 4 P's: passion, purpose, power, and customer problem. In our third class, we will look at the 5th P: customer value proposition. To help us understand this, you are coming from talking to the customer and you have insights of their problem. You understand their pain points. And so, what is the opportunity area? What is your business idea? How different is your business idea? What is your magic sauce? When you answer this, you will be able to present it in a pitch, an elevator pitch. Ladies and gentlemen, this forms the basis of our first phase of training, and I can't wait to listen to your elevator pitch at the end of this class.